what it is, my YouTube family. Oh, wait, wait. Ooh, wait. Check out the merch. Man, I can't wait till I get me some merch. I mean, yeah, one of these days, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. But I hope y'all is having a great day, staying safe, staying positive, especially through all of these tough times still. Yes, coronavirus is bugging. Families that's out there suffering from this tragedy, I wish y'all the best. Definitely prayers going out with y'all. Man, can you stop biting me? Can I finish my video? Is that possible? Please. What, you want in too? Yeah, fight with each other, not with me. Back to the video. Yes, now as I was saying, hope everybody out there is staying safe out there, Get back in the LED light, couldn't see me for a second. Whoa! Always back there, staying positive, like I said, and always washing your hands. You should be washing your hands regardless, but still, washing your hands, keeping the mask on, because it is a disease that is very dangerous and very brutal. So, with that being said, 6 feet, step back. Give me my distance. I don't want this corona, and I hope y'all don't either. Now, before I get to this video, I went to a little car meet, and yeah, this is what you do not do. Your friends inspire you and do all of that good stuff, but they shouldn't pressure you to do something that might cause a little bit of this. Oh! Yeah, as you seen that, yeah, I'll get to that video in a second. But yeah, that guy did a little bit too much two-stepping. And he stepped his car out of commission. But boy, do I want to give y'all a little sneak peek of something. Yes, I know people is probably wondering, why haven't I posted more videos of my Gixxer 1000? Well, I got rid of it, and I got something new. And y'all better stay tuned in for this. Because, yeah, I got a monster. And I'm going to show y'all a couple little sneak peeks in this video also. But let me show y'all what I'm talking about real quick. Wait! Boy, do you ever look so good. Now, as y'all see, can't say it ain't mine, all right? Don't even try it. Y'all want to know about that baby right there? Okay, stay tuned for these videos. Future videos, that is. Gotta stay tuned to the guy's channel. I mean, come on now. Who else is better than me? Well, hold on. I'm not cocky, I'm confident. Yeah, it's a lot out there better, and I'm still new to this, but I'm learning. Bear with me, I'm learning. I'm rare, yes, I'm rare, and I hit different, Now that y'all seen that, let's get into this car meet footage, because I want y'all to see this. And just take my advice, people. Rev only a few times, not to where you blow it up or catch it on fire! At the car meet, motherfucking shit on fire. Literally, this thing is hot. Literally hot. I got to get back though, because that bitch might blow. Damn. That sucks. That literally sucks. Look. Everybody around it too. Look. He moving his car. He like, look, you ain't gonna mess my car up. Alright, I'm getting away. Let's pause this video, cause it's sneak peek time! Man, is it a lucky time to hop on the bike right now, or what? I mean, Yeah, anybody who has a beauty like this definitely is lucky. But to fire her up, see them numbers, and she sounds like this. Now let's take a little bit of time to see some of these cars at this car meet before getting back into that video of that fool setting his car on fire. What's wrong with you, man? Hope you're getting a better vehicle. Hope you learned your lesson. Hope you don't listen to your friends. See what happens? Do you see what happens, people? Here's something for you Mustang fans, all right? He calls it Hellby. Delaware head turners. Side. It's automatic though. Hang it. You good?
Yeah, go for it. Go for the goal.
Yeah, man. These back tires are huge. Yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Wow. He got like 22s on the back of that junk. 4-inch tips. Yeah. This is Baby Godzilla.
Holy God.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
That's the size of one of my nails.
Yeah.
Going the size of two of mine.
Who's that?
Ruby just revs the hell out of me.
Yeah.
Get it? Get right to the car.
Do it.
Tank's all there. He's like, yeah, what's up, guys?
Do it for the vlog.
Can I get a personal interview real quick?
Can you ask me one question about your car? Yes, I said you asked me about your car. Wow. Audi R8 barking. Nice little bit. Sounded all right. Sounded good. Yep. Ooh, purple rims. Different. I like that. With a 350Z next to it. Big old rims. Big old Dukesters. Deep dish. Thing I ate too. Yeah. Nice. Okay, let's get back to that car on fire. Then come back and see the rest of these cars at this meet. Look. Retarded people getting close. They retarded. Just for the blue, just for the view. Look. Everybody all around.
Yeah, let's just go closer, right?
Yeah.
That shit explodes. I want that explosion on my
Here come Fire Patrol now.
Hey, sorry, look at the insurance check next week.
Run with that hose. You can do it. It's getting ready to blow. It's getting ready to blow. Better put it out. Save all these pedestrians that's watching. Even me. I'm only taking too long, messing up my video footage.
At least you gotta get an insurance check.
Hose fill, water release. Make that thing squirt. Oh, put it in slow-mo. Woo! Oh! Oh!
You guys might want to back up. Just saying. Boom!
And just like that, it's out. And this is what you see at car meets. Oh! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Car just started going by itself. Everybody got excited, and then Mr. Rookie, Mr. Officer Rookie, bumped it. Look. I'm gonna get a close view for y'all. I do it all for the vlog.
Get back! Get back!
Still ain't out yet. There y'all have it. Fire's out.
It looked like, to me, it looks like that.
392 with some subtle camo wrap and flip-flop color changing paint. Yeah, it's alright. And then a dirty CTSV. Dirty. Yeah, that thing mean. I like that. With a color like this, I bet you he got the general insurance.
Oh yeah, I know.
I'm so excited. Yeah, the first guy who scheduled me was like, oh yeah, we'll send you the base map for your downpipe when you're ready. All right, then I call back.
I need to hear this thing start.
That's a big exhaust.
I gotta get my camera.
Oh, he's gonna start it.
It's alright, it'll still sound good as a cold start.
Oh.
Take it.
He fooled us! It actually sounds good.
That sounds
We need another one. I didn't film it. We need another one.
All right, now I need one for Twitter. It's like. Thanks, buddy. Wow! Wow! All of these zoomies and everybody just popping. Thought somebody shot me.
What's going on here?
It's time to go.
Get shot at.
Time to go.
Yeah, can we like go?
I don't know if I see one person blow tonight.
Hold on.
Who pulled out the G-Wagon? Who pulled out the G-Wagon, huh? At a car meet and they pull out the G-Wagon though. I like it. Could y'all see me driving this? Now look, yep, look. All our cars is over here. See? It's 2020 and they segregated the black people again. Just messed up. Look. Oh, yes, we did! Oh! We're good now. Yep. Exactly. So they can't say we racist because I say, my homie got a wife that's white. And I hang with them all the time. Look, look, look. Now look. Oh, hold on. My light to get it. Hold on. Look. Yep, see?
On that.
Look. Yep. All our cars is over here. Nobody else over here. Just messed up.
Look at this bomb-ass WRX over here now.
Oh gosh! Look at him! Look at these zoomies! Wow! Teaser time! Looking so good. Okay, we're gonna finish the video with another little sneak peek of the new beast that's new on the channel. Check him out, y'all. Or should I say, check her out, y'all. Yes, 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 yes. Y'all better get ready because y'all see this sexy monster right here. Oh man, these videos are gonna be amazing coming out. So y'all better stay tuned to the channel. Man, that thing is nice. That thing look good. Me on a 14. Kawasaki, baby. And look at that exhaust. Whoa! Listen, I'm allowed to fake like it's mine. I'm allowed to fake like it's mine. Wow. I had to start it up. Give y'all a nighttime walk around real quick. Just a quick one. My friends are trying to leave. Woo! Man, Brock, do you ever sound so good? Man, Brock, do you sound good? Whoa, do you sound good, baby? And just like that, the video is over. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And like I said, stay tuned for more videos of, you never know what you're gonna get on this channel. I mean, y'all just better stay tuned. And those of y'all that like that 14 that I just picked up, just be ready. I tell you what, I got some very interesting stuff that I want to do to that. And like I said, I'm rare, you know. Shit hit different. So, y'all better stay tuned. Y'all stay positive, stay focused, stay humble, always.